Welcome back to another Buc-ee's construction update video on the channel. Today is Sunday, October 27, 2024. We're standing here in Huber Heights at the site of Ohio's First Buc-ee's. And we flew the drone today, and there's not a whole lot visibly different than what we saw last week when we were down here.
Yeah, the electrical poles are still intact. I'm assuming we have to wait on those to get moved or relocated so they can start construction of the building.
Yeah, they're gonna have to be moved before that building can go up. That's for sure.
Yeah, I don't think they're going to put a pole in the middle of the building or at the end of the building.
One other thing that we noticed today is there's a traffic signal that's been added to this red light down here by the Wendy's. The traffic signal's facing the Buc-ee's location. And one other thing I'd like to mention is tomorrow is Sonia's birthday, and in honor of her birthday, I'd like to give her this Buc-ee's.
I got a Buc-ee's coming soon
magnet for Huber Heights, Ohio.
Thank you. It's so sweet.
So happy birthday, Sonia. It'd be nice if some of the viewers out there would drop a happy birthday comment to you in the comments below today. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the construction update videos. And thanks for watching.
See you down the road.
Goodbye.
Bye.